is a monk smoking a cigarette. I'm pretty sure he is not supposed to be smoking a cigarette, but that's okay because we all make mistakes. It's the big C. Here's the store I was looking for. It's called Big C Super Center, or the Big C for short. I would say it's probably the Wal-Mart of Thailand. So Big C is kind of like the Wal-Mart of Thailand. You know, in Walmart you can get everything. So what you need in Thailand is a scooter. You need a scooter so you can get those too. Want a scooter, something like that yellow bad boy. I need to get a new computer, but not today. See, look at the price tags. So this is where the misconception of money is like, yes, when you convert your money, the digits go up, but you still tend to exchange very similar amounts of money for things. Like, I can't convert this in my head, but no, I can convert it in my head. This is around 600, 500 USD for that model if you convert the prices over. So yeah, you still pay very similar prices for things. So it's very similar to one of the Mecca super centers in America. And as you can see, we even have similar jobs abroad. You know, we have cashiers and cart boys, and so, you know, the other side is not so strange. In many ways, it's very similar. So you can get Dairy Queen in Thailand, which makes sense because it's hot. But you'll find that when you travel, you'll never be too far from your Western comforts. They're usually right around the corner. Look, you see there's KFC. Not that I'm a big fan, but I can get chicken. I would say I might be a vegetarian. I don't really like meat. I don't eat too many meats. Looks like I ended up in the food court of Big C, where you can order Thai food. Here's what some popular dishes look like. I guess it's not everyone's cup of tea, but once again, it is easy to find any type of food you would like, including your Western comforts of McDonald's and Pizza Hut.